Hey, to connect to Wi-Fi on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the taskbar in the right bottom corner on this network icon with the right mouse button and click to open the network and the internet settings. Now from here, just be sure that you turn on the Wi-Fi, and when you click on it, you will actually open the more Wi-Fi settings, and now you can show available networks. Here we are. So if you want to connect for any network, all you have to do is just to select it with the left mouse button. Now you can click connect, and from here you can enter, you have to enter the network security key. And here we got some tips that we can also connect by pushing the button on the router. So yeah, after inputting this code, you can click next, and if your security key is correct, you will be actually connected into the Wi-Fi network. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.